everyone, this is Miss Pullen here. Today we're going to be puzzle makers. We're going to compose simple shapes to form a larger shape described by an outline. So first, I want you to pretend that you are a baker. So you're going to get a plain piece of paper and a pencil, and I want you to draw a big rectangle on your paper, just like that, okay? And I want you to pretend that it's a delicious chocolate cake. Now I want you to get a straight edge of some sort, so a ruler or the back of a book or the back of a piece of paper, and I want you to draw a line to show how you would slice it and serve it to your friends. So Miss Pullen's gonna do like that. So I slice mine into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces. I want you to compare your cake to mine. Did you do it the same way? Do you have more pieces or do you have less pieces? Okay, so I want you to think about decomposing the rectangle and how you decomposed it into different shapes. So this will go along with our lesson today. So if you want to do the lesson with us, then I've attached this sheet below and you can go ahead and print it out. Or you can just follow along with Miss Pullen as I talk about the activity. So you can print this below, and then you'll need a straight edge, like a ruler again, or the back of a book or piece of paper, and a pencil to do the activities with us. So first I want to ask you what you see on your paper. If you said 4 shapes, you're correct. You see 2 colored maybe or gray shapes, and then 2 that are white. There are 2 squares at the top and 2 rectangles at the bottom. So today we're going to be puzzle makers. Your first job is to cut the paper down the dotted line. So just like this, you're going to cut the paper right down the dotted line. This is going to be where you're going to fill in your puzzle, and these are going to be your puzzle pieces. Okay? So first things first, you're going to decide how you can cut apart your square into smaller shapes. So Miss Pullen printed this out for you to give you some examples. So if you drew 2 lines on your square, then maybe you would be making it into 3 rectangles. Or if you do 2 lines this way, you'd be making it into 2 triangles and like a funny diamond shape in the middle. Or 4 squares. Or this one has a square, and 2 rectangles. Or the bottom one has 4 triangles, or this one has a rectangle and 2 triangles. And then once you've drawn your lines, you can go ahead and cut on those lines. Miss Pullen will show you one example. So we're going to cut out this square at the bottom. All right. And then you're going to cut on the lines that you drew to get out your other shapes. So this one happened to be cut into 4 triangles. And then I'm going to be a puzzle maker and glue it back together on my square. So I got to figure out how these... There we go. And then we'll move it back into our puzzle. And then you can glue it there like that. And that makes your square. Okay, friends, so I want you to go ahead and try that with both your square and your rectangle. And see what other shapes you can make out of your larger shapes, and then glue them back together to be your bigger shape. All right, I hope you have fun being puzzle makers today.